here's how one of our porch enclosures on the Chesapeake Bay performed during Hurricane Matthew. Maryland was lucky not to get hit directly by the storm, but we did see winds up to 30+ knots. That's about 30 to 40 miles per hour. With one panel open, it's quiet, calm, and dry inside the enclosure. There was no need to take cushions or furnishings inside. You too can continue to enjoy your screen porch with Porch Enclosure Systems, the best-selling roll-up curtains with the glass-like clarity and protection of a 3-season room, and a green-friendly design that disappears easily in good weather. For a free quote, visit porchenclosuresystems.com today.